Hey there, Shannon Rollings from Shannon Rollings Real Estate. Today I wanted to dive into a common question I get, and that is when you're getting ready to put your home on the market, should you go ahead and spend the money to get a home inspection report done prior to putting it on the market? Okay, so there's two schools of thought about whether you should get a home inspection done prior to putting your home on the market. The first is yes, go ahead and spend the money to get an inspection report done. It's going to cost you $350 to $550 depending on the size of the home to get the report done. The inspector will provide you with a list of deficiencies. And then you can either go ahead and spend the money to get the deficiencies corrected, or you can disclose all of these deficiencies on your seller property condition report as required by law, or provide a copy of the home inspection to the buyers. The second school of thought, and this is the way I'm more leaning towards, is don't spend the money on the home inspection report prior to putting your home on the market. Do make the repairs you know need to be done, but wait for the buyer to come along and go ahead and let them get their own home inspection report done, and then they can request the repairs that are most important to them. This way you're not stuck with two lists of repairs to be made, one from the inspector you hired and one from the inspector they hired. Because likely that buyer, even if you provided them with a copy of the home inspection report, they're going to hire their own home inspector. They want to be sure that the inspector is looking out for the buyer's best interest. So in my opinion, it's best for you just to make the repairs you know need to be done prior to putting your home on the market, and then wait for the buyer to get their own home inspection report, and then you can negotiate repairs that are important to the buyer. For more information about buying or selling, visit my website at shannonr.com and click on the video library link. And thanks for watching.